Welcome back to The Breakdown. We're coming to you tonight from New York City, major economic hub, also home to thousands of entrepreneurs. Blockchain, very much a buzzword in that community. While at the Bermuda Executive Forum, I caught up with one entrepreneur who wants to put your data on the blockchain. So you have one of these futuristic documents potentially here, right?
Yeah,
what a future passport could look like.
Exactly. Or this is actually a simulation of Australian passport. And then, for example, if this is shown to you and somebody asks you to see whether it is genuine or not, just switch on the camera. I'll quickly walk you through. All that you got to do is just scan this QR code using your camera.
Okay, and this thing popped up at the top?
Exactly. Yep, that's the link. So that is taking you to the verification page where it's trying to check what is the document that is stored at the time of creation. And if this document is created by us, like in terms of Australian government, then you get to check to continue this. Yep. And then you get to see all the information that is stored, like it could be your name, address, date of birth and all. But the beauty of it is we can only expose the information that is needed. That means if you go to a bar, all that you get to see is only your photo.
So I could pick and choose what sort of information I want to share depending on what the situation is.
Right. And at the same time, if an official with his credentials logs in and scans it, he can see not only this information that is there on the passport, but also, say, for example, a cop catches you, you can see your traffic records for the last 3 years. So the user has a control of what he wants to show, or at the same time, authority has a control of what they want to see at what level.
How do you ensure that the documentation is not being counterfeited?
Yeah, so anybody tries to change anything on this document, if you go to this tab, which is PDF, you get to see what is the original document.
So this isn't the same person?
Exactly. Somebody took this one, so which is actually this one. He made a fraud by changing the picture and this information. But the moment you scan it, you'll be able to identify that it's different. Now, it's only not just for passports, it could be IDs, it could be legal contracts, it could be land titles. Any document that is of importance, it can be blockchained.